Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been gone a minute. I look like a hot mess right now. Don't mind me. These freaking bundles. Bitch. Stink, but still. So as you guys can see today, I'll be making a wig. Attempting to make a wig. I already went ahead and applied the the wig cap to this black head and already applied the frontal to it as well. I'll be making a wig on a machine as the title of this. So yeah, these are 3 bundles and this is the water waves. So I freaking love this because it's extremely soft and doesn't shed unless shedding actually, unless you really pull on it is when you get shedding. Please do sit back, enjoy, and thank you for the support. Don't forget to like. All right, let's get into this. Right in the background is my baby girl, so if you hear her, just know she's here. I'll be going with the regular needle and thread just to secure the frontal down a bit. So when I applied the frontal, actually I should say before I start, this is actually about, I would say, a ½ inch to an inch further than the, the hairline is actually further than the mesh dome cap. So yeah, let's get into stitching this down. So I'll be starting from right here in the middle where this pin is, where I'm just holding it down, and I'm just gonna go in just to secure it down. Alright guys, so there is a little bit of bumps going on here, but I will be stretching the cap for, I will be stretching the cap for a better fit, only for the frontal so that it can be more secure. I would say is the word, I don't think it's the word. So let's get into this lining. When I say lining, I mean for the guide for when I'm stitching it on the sewing machine. The wefts are a bit big, so yeah, I'm in the ghetto, obviously. Okay, and then we're gonna start So I was finished with this part of it, and as you can see, it's extremely colorful, but you guys can see that. I'm gonna stretch the cap up here alone to make sure that this is nice and flat like that. So let's get into this. And I want to be very careful. Alright guys, so I'm finished with this part of the stitching, and that is flat down like I wanted it to be, and that's the only part of the wig that I stretched out. So we'll get into sewing it weft by weft now, and yeah. I mean, should I double them? Looking at it now, I think I want to double them, but at the same time, I want it to be full. I want it to be full. So I think I'm going to stick to just single sewing them. Probably to the bottom, I'll stitch them double. Okay, I'll double the bottom and stitch the top single. Just get rid of these. I don't want that to be in there. Alright, so we'll get started. First, one goes under here. Right there. So that's the first stitch. That's the first one that's down, and we're gonna just continue now. So I might speed it up, I might just not speed it up, not sure. I think that I'll be doing double wefts in between, like 1, 2, 1, 2, not sure yet. I will come back in and let you guys know. So now I think that I'm gonna double the wefts for this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just fold it and measure it out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just press down and hold it just a small little bit below. Just like that. And use a zigzag pattern. Guys, so I am finished with the wig. I hate, don't mind me. But let me just show you guys what inside looks like. I decided to go ahead and what is happening right here? I did the single stitch on, not stitch, but I did the single weft on top. I'm trying to get these up without ripping the thing. But yeah, so let me just take this out. And this is a water wave, 18 inches. Let me show you what the inside looks like. I am proud of myself. I will be doing custom wig making. This is what the inside looks like. I'm gonna remove all these threading right now. So not gonna lie, I had a lot of screw ups like this right here. This is from me actually sewing this onto the, it ended up getting caught up. So yeah, I'll go ahead and remove the insides, the layaway stitches that's still in there, and then I'm gonna apply this elastic band onto it, and I'll be back after doing that. So I screwed up the lace while making it on the machine, but it was machine made, so this ain't going raw. I love it. I freaking love it. So